Welcome back to Nash Rich. Today we're exploring 12 incredible kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. From smart tools to essential appliances, these gadgets are perfect for upgrading any kitchen. Stay tuned for detailed insights on each item, and don't forget to check the links in the description for all products. Be sure to subscribe for more amazing gadget reviews and tips. Govee Smart Light Bulbs. Transform your kitchen ambiance with Govee Smart Light Bulbs. These Wi-Fi enabled bulbs let you control the lighting with your voice, smartphone, or even a schedule. Adjust brightness, choose from millions of colors, or sync the lights to your favorite music for a vibrant experience. Energy efficient and easy to install, they're perfect for adding a modern touch to your home. Grab yours through the link in the description. StirMATE Automatic Pot Stirrer. Say goodbye to constant stirring with the StirMATE Automatic Pot Stirrer. This rechargeable gadget keeps your soups, sauces, and stews perfectly mixed without you lifting a finger. Its adjustable arms fit any pot, and the powerful motor ensures consistent results. A lifesaver for multitaskers in the kitchen, it makes cooking hassle-free and fun. Check the link below to learn more. Angled Measuring Cup. Revolutionize the way you measure liquids with the angled measuring cup. Its unique design allows you to read measurements from above, eliminating the need to bend or lift the cup repeatedly. Ideal for precise cooking and baking, this tool is a must-have for any chef. Find it now through the link in the description. ecobee Smart Thermostat. Bring smart technology into your kitchen with the ecobee Smart Thermostat. Not only does it control your home's temperature, but it also integrates with Alexa for voice commands. Whether you're preheating the kitchen before baking or managing your energy usage, this thermostat makes it seamless. Check it out via the link below. Quart Slow Cooker. The Quart Slow Cooker is a kitchen staple for preparing hearty meals with minimal effort. Its adjustable heat settings and large capacity are perfect for soups, casseroles, or even desserts. Just set it and forget it. Come back to a perfectly cooked dish. Click the link in the description to add it to your kitchen arsenal. Salt and Pepper Grinder. Elevate your seasoning game with this stylish salt and pepper grinder. Featuring adjustable coarseness and a sleek design, it's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Perfect for freshly ground spices, this grinder is a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Grab it now through the link below. Food Vacuum Sealer. Keep your food fresher for longer with the Food Vacuum Sealer. Whether you're preserving leftovers, meal prepping, or storing seasonal produce, this gadget removes air to lock in freshness. It's compact, easy to use, and a must-have for reducing food waste. Find it in the description. Personal Blender. Whip up smoothies, shakes, or sauces in seconds with this powerful personal blender. Its compact design makes it perfect for small kitchens or on-the-go lifestyles. The detachable bottle doubles as a travel cup, so you can blend and take your drink anywhere. Click the link below to get yours today. Sous vide machine. Cook like a pro with the Sous vide machine. This precision cooker ensures perfectly cooked meats, vegetables, and more by immersing them in water at a controlled temperature. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this gadget guarantees restaurant quality results every time. Grab it now through the link in the description. Food Kitchen Scale. Accurate measurements are essential in cooking, and the Food Kitchen Scale delivers just that. With its sleek design, digital display, and tare function, this scale is ideal for portion control, baking, and meal prep. Get yours via the link below to elevate your kitchen game. Magnetic Knife Holder. Keep your knives organized and within reach with the magnetic knife holder. Its strong magnets securely hold your knives, freeing up counter space and adding a modern touch to your kitchen. Plus, it's easy to install and keeps your tools safe and hygienic. Check the description for more details. Can opener say goodbye to struggling with cans? This can opener is durable, easy to use, and features a comfortable grip. Its sharp cutting wheel ensures a smooth, effortless experience every time. Perfect for any kitchen, you can grab it through the link in the description. These 12 kitchen gadgets are game changers for anyone looking to simplify and enhance their cooking experience. Be sure to check the product links in the description to shop your favorites. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Nash Rich for more, and hit the notification bell for more exciting gadget reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.